Hello, and in this video, I'm going to show you what we have done so far in this one assignment called random ball dropping. So far, we started off where our Scratchy the cat, once when we click on the green flag, he is going to go in the middle. That's indicated by this X0 and the Y0. He will show himself and then ask the question, what is your name? And then he will wait for the answer. Once the answer is given, he is going to say, hello, join your answer, which is going to be your name. Let's play a game. And then he's going to wait for 3 seconds. He's going to continue and ask, where do you want to play? Press 1 for ocean or 2 for forest. Now, we already created different stages. If you take your mouse, you click here, and you go to backdrop, we have 2 stages here. One of them is the forest, and the other one's the ocean. Start is what we begin with. So I'm going to go back to the Scratchy the cat and look at the code again. And it says if that person answers 1, then they'll switch the backdrop to ocean because that's what we indicated here, 1 for ocean and 2 for forest. And then hide himself. And if he answers 2, switch the backdrop to forest and then hide. Let's test that out by clicking on the green flag. What is your name? That we are right here right now. Whatever I type in here will place what the string that I type into the variable answer, and he will join hello with your answer. When then let's play the game. I'm gonna type in my name. I'll click that. There it is right there. Let's play a game, and then he's gonna ask me the next question. Where do you want to play? Press 1 for ocean and 2 for forest. If I press 2, it will take me to forest, and then Scratchy will hide after that. Okay. What we also did is we brought in 2 more sprites. One of them is the beetle, and the other one is the raindrop. Now, the raindrop we took from another player, so we're gonna have to go in and delete all of the codes that was used from the other person. All right. Now, I'm gonna work specifically with the beetle, and with the beetle, we have it so that when the game starts, he's gonna hide. And when the backdrop switches, remember when it switches is when you select number 2, when it switches to forest, he is going to go to a position, -3 on the X and then -140 on the Y, and then will show himself. Now, what I also want to do is I want to go into the beetle and then look at the costumes to make sure that I have 2 costumes, one with him facing left and the other one with him facing right. There it is right there. I have a right and I have the left. And make sure you name it properly because that's what we're going to use. Okay. One last thing before we move on, I want to make sure that when I ask him to show, I want him to be facing right away. So I'm going to switch over to looks and make sure that he is facing with the costume, switch costume to right. So let me try that one more time. Click on play. And of course, when I start, he is hiding. It asks for my name. And I'll click OK. It's going to ask me, let's play a game. And press 1 for ocean, 2 for forest. I'm going to press 2 for forest. And the beetle should appear and face to the right with the background of the forest, which it does work. Okay. So that is just a quick review of where we're at right now. And that's the end of this first video.